Hi, I'm Dr. John Char from Hawaii, a holistic practitioner. I'd like to discuss to you how to speed the healing process for coughs. I always question this. Is this folk remedy the best for you? Or are you taking drugs? You can try this formula. It's called the horseradish and honey formula. Horseradish loosens mucus while honey coats the throat. This is your formula. Grate 1 teaspoon of fresh peeled horseradish into 2 teaspoons of honey. Consume 1 teaspoon every 2 to 3 hours. That's your cough medicine folk remedy.